chose for the Motocross of Nations for Great Britain, and last year I missed it, so it's great to be a part of that again. And I remember I've done it before and it's a great feeling, so to get chose for that again is awesome for me and I think for my team. And this year we have a great shot at it with two other good riders. We have Brad Anderson and Dean Wilson, so we really have a good shot of winning even and make sure we're on the podium at the least. At the Motocross of Nations, I'm going to be racing a 415 MX1 or MX3 class for Great Britain, and I've done a couple of days on it so far, and then I've done a race at the weekend and I won that, so I'm feeling really good on that and a lot better than I thought. I was a little bit worried because I never really rode one or raced one, but it was great feeling with the bike, and I really can't wait to race that at the Nations.